So they gonna charge him anyway. So they are going to charge him anyway. Now things is getting a little hairy because from what I know about the law is that if there is some sort of, crime with a victim, like what happened, like a domestic dispute, even if someone recants their statement, recants what they said happened, if the district attorney feels they have enough evidence to charge you to win in court, they will. So what the hell is going on here? I read the comments. I know all the possibilities. Trust me, I've been thinking myself. I saw y'all talking about money and power and hey, now he hit you, now he didn't. Now all of a sudden he didn't. People believing the mouse paid her off. I can't say. I wasn't there. They saying they got evidence, video evidence and witness evidence, which makes me think they have the footage from the cab. The cab probably had dash cams. And they have the cab driver. His testimony, that, like he was there. You got what I'm saying? Like, so what is going on here? I mean, there's all types of spy technology stuff you can say could have happened. They paid the cabbie off too, man, and what they did was they doctored the cab's footage to show that the brother was innocent when indeed he did choke up the chick. I don't know. There's so many things that we can do now with technology. Heard Ali G used to say that, technology. I don't know. But see, that's why I said yesterday, in my last video, I said, I don't know what's going on, but this whole thing smells fishy. Like something isn't right with, saying something did happen, nah, it didn't happen. Oh, I was having an emotional episode, taken to the hospital for my emotional episode. It just everything, if you've been on YouTube and seen enough movies long enough, your whole mind is spinning about the possibilities of what the hell is going on. So I'm not going to condemn the man, and I ain't going to convict the man. But it's really got my mind spinning on the possibilities of what the hell is going on here. So it says here on Fox News, Jonathan Majors charged with assault, harassment by New York District Attorney. The New York District Attorney charged Jonathan Majors with multiple counts of assault and harassment following his arrest in an alleged domestic dispute Saturday, and documents obtained by Fox News Digital. Now check this out. I think there's been other situations in entertainment where things weren't done by companies until a person was officially charged. So now he's officially charged. So the man's innocent already. This could possibly totally cancel him and destroy his career. And they pulled like 2 of his Army ads. I don't watch normal live TV anymore. So I haven't seen them. I haven't seen any commercials for him, but apparently he's been doing, he did Army ads. Be all you can be with Jonathan Majors. So they apparently, from what I heard, which is the only thing I didn't report on, I'm reporting on now, that they paused the ad campaign. They didn't withdraw it. They didn't just cancel it. They paused it to see, all right, well, let's pause, So he was charged with 2 counts of assault in the third degree, aggravated harassment in the second degree, attempted assault in the third degree, and harassment in the second degree. How's it attempted if you already did it? You know what I mean? Attempted, yes, whatever. All these technicalities in law. Police responded to a 911 call in the Chelsea neighborhood of Manhattan, and upon preliminary investigation determined Majors assaulted a 30-year-old woman. District Attorney's complaint stated the defendant put his hands on her neck, causing bruising and substantial pain. In addition, the report stated the defendant struck her about the face with an open hand, causing substantial pain and laceration behind the ear. The defendant also grabbed her hand, causing swelling, bruising, and substantial pain to her finger. By the way, I've seen some comments on certain people, yeah, even on here, I immediately went to the comment section because I want to see what people were saying. All type of racist shit they talking. People talk. Oh, I saw somebody was like, "Oh, I don't care. He wasn't dealing with no black woman." So if he was dealing with a black woman, that would make you care? Wrong is wrong. You got what I'm saying? So, for example, if he is innocent and this chick is having some crazy episode and it's destroying his career, that it makes it valid to not care because of her skin color, that makes absolutely no sense. I'm telling you, listen, there's a lot of people out there that's like that. You know what I mean? A judge granted a limited order of protection against the actor, and Major is expected to be in court. What does that mean? Someone explain that to me, because I don't understand why he would need to be protected. Unless it's like, one of those things, oh, he's an actor, so people might try to come at him, and that would make sense to me. An initial police report listed charges as strangulation, assault, and harassment. Excuse me. Officers placed the 33-year-old male into custody without incident. The statement added the victim sustained minor injuries to her head, neck, and was removed to an area hospital in stable condition. And, of course, the Lovecraft Country star denied the altercation in a statement provided to Fox News Digital. Now, one thing we have to remember also is that even though she recanted her statement, all those people that was talking about him beforehand and afterhand, from what I understand, they haven't recanted what they said about him. They haven't deleted their tweets talking about him. So, can two things be true at the same time? Yes. It could be true that he's innocent, and it could be true that he might be a wild boy behind the scenes in real life. You know what I mean? It could be true that he's a wild boy and he did do it, or he didn't do it. Or, but like, we don't know. But it's kind of funny how them people came out. So, like I said, I know how y'all minds thinking. Oh, it's a smear campaign. Some people was like, oh, he didn't want to wear the dress. Well, he wore the pink. He wore that pink-ass coat. Remember, people was talking all about that, right? People was in an uproar. I didn't even know about it until like days later. I was seeing stuff, and people was like, yo, did he, you know what I mean? Did he do a pact? What did he do? Did he, you know what I mean? So, and I saw an interview where he was saying something that masculinity was fluid. And I was like, wait, what? And, I guess he defended himself against, whatever they were trying to say, that he was, maybe gay or bisexual or whatever. But anyway, Jonathan Majors is completely innocent and is provably the victim of an altercation with a woman he knows. We are quickly gathering the presenting evidence to the district attorney with the expectation that all charges will be dropped imminently. Major's lawyer, Priya Chaudhry, said, okay, so they expect, even though he was charged, they're going to be dropped after the district attorney sees this evidence. The evidence includes video footage from the vehicle, see? This episode took place. Witness testimony from the driver, okay? Just like I said, and others who both saw and heard the episode, and most importantly, 2 written statements from the woman recanting the allegations. All the evidence proves that Mr. Majors is entirely innocent and did not assault her whatsoever. Unfortunately, this incident came about because this woman was having an emotional crisis, for which she was taken to the hospital yesterday. So if she's mentally ill and she was having an issue, see that? Mentally ill people can cause a ton of problems. You know what I'm saying? Like I told you, I saw that one video where the one woman threatened the dude because, someone sent me something where they said this chick, her and her husband were arguing because he wouldn't give her the Wi-Fi password. And she said she would call 911 and tell the police that he raped her and that he touched her kids too. It makes me wonder how many dudes went down over false allegations like that. All because someone was having a mental episode. That's psychotic to go that far arguing over a Wi-Fi password. She added the NYPD is required to make an arrest in these situations, and this is only the only reason he was arrested. We expect these charges to be dropped. I have heard, so that people aren't making these fake phone calls like this, that at least one person always has to go to jail. To make sure that things are serious, that someone is really, you know what I mean? Wow! This thing is just trucking along, ain't it? I tell you this. Here's the thing. I will say this. If he is innocent, I hope he gets all the justice deserved and all the money back he deserves. Because stuff like this can destroy a man. And the people out there, well, he ain't messing with a black woman. You know what I mean? Like, really? Really? The color of the woman matters whether you support an innocent man? That's if he's innocent. That is disgusting. The content of their character we should judge a person by. Good Lord. Post comments down below. Let me know what y'all thought. If you enjoyed my thoughts and take on this story, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share. 10 million subscribers. Woo!